Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video on delivery methods. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that you can take advantage of regarding the configuration of shipping methods. And so mainly I'm going to show you how the customer will see the shipping methods when buying something on the website. Then I will show you how you can use shipping methods with batch transfers and how you can use the carrier in that regards. And finally, I'm going to show you how you can print labels at different stage if you are in multi-step delivery. So let's directly jump into the customer portal. So here I'm logged in as if I was my customer and I'm on the e-commerce and I'm about to buy a given product. So let's buy that test product and put that on the cart. Then I will process to checkout, and here, given that I'm logged in as my customer, you can see that my address is already registered. There is only one shipping method available for that address, and so that's FedEx US, and therefore Odoo has already calculated the price of that shipping method. If I had multiple shipping methods, we would see the price of these different ones. But here it's FedEx US, and so you can see that based on the destination of the package, as well as the weight that is indicated on the product form, Odoo has calculated the price for me, which is 132.31. So here I'm going to process to payment with my credit card. Obviously, that's not something that the customer will see. I'm in test mode, and so I can indicate the payment status myself. So I will pay now. So here the payment is being processed. Perfect. So everything seems good to go. Now let's jump into the backend to see what happened. So now I can go to my sale and I will just remove that filter. Here I can see the sale that was just done for that specific customer. So you can see that's the email that they received and everything seems good to go. It's confirmed and I can now jump to my delivery. So let's jump to my delivery. Okay, everything seems good to go. If I go to additional info, I will see that the carrier is FedEx US. And so if I validate or set quantities and validate, I will have my labels that is generated. I will have the tracking. So everything is good to go. So that's it when you buy from the website. And so that's what happens in the backend. Now, what I can do, and that's the second thing that I'm going to show you, is to use batch transfer for deliveries. So here I see that I have 5 deliveries to be processed. I will just look at the one that are ready, and I can group by, and I will use carrier. So carrier, there it goes here, and I see that I have 2 for FedEx US. And so here what I can do is to select these two, action add to a batch, and I will say that I am the responsible for this batch and I want to add that to a new batch transfer. Then I will confirm, and so now they have been added to that specific batch. Okay. Now from there I can put in pack, and so I will say that I will put that on the FedEx box and that it's 1 kilo. Okay, save. So I have a pack here for my first product, and I will add a second pack. Let's say pack 0019. Okay, create and edit. And I can say as well that it's a FedEx box, and I will save and close. Okay, so everything is in that pack. Now I can just set quantities and I will validate. Okay, so these transfers have been done, and now if I go and have a look at them, for example, let's go to that specific one. I will go to my sale, and here, so that was a sale for my third and my second customer, so it was different sale. I can go to it and I will see on the delivery that it's done and I have the shipment that has been created directly. So it's very convenient to be able to group these by batch and to use that directly to create the labels. Same goes for my second customer. Here, if I go to the delivery, it's done as well. I have the label that is generated as well as the tracking reference, so everything is good to go. I can even go back to the batch if needed. Note that it's something you can do to automate as well the batch transfers, and I will advise you to go and check the smart class on that topic. Now, the final thing that I wanted to show you is when you go to the warehouse, and I will go to inventory, and that you decide to receive in 3 steps, for example, to deliver in 3 steps. So that's that one. Then it might be that you don't want to print the label at the very last moment when you deliver the product, but it might be that you want to do that at the packing, for example. And so what you can do is to go to operation types, pack, and you can decide to print the label at that specific moment. Okay, so we will try that together. And so now we have pick, pack, ship. So we are in 3 steps. So if I go to sale, I will create a new one for my customer, and I will add my test product. Okay, so everything seems good to go. I can of course add the shipping. FedEx US, I will get the rate, always the same one. Okay, now I can confirm. So I have 3 deliveries. Let's process to the first one. Okay, perfect. And now I'm in my packing. My packing is ready. I will put it in pack, use the FedEx box, say that the weight is still 1 kilo, nothing has changed, and I will validate. And you see that at that specific step, Odoo has generated the shipment and has created the label. And so now I can print it, put that on the box, and proceed to the final step, which is the delivery. And so here you see that we have still the package. I can set my quantities, validate, and everything is good to go. So all in all, that's some small tips and tricks that you can take advantage of to in the end use these different shipping methods even better. So thank you for watching these videos, and I look forward to have answer your different questions on this specific topic. Thank you.